Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday! Today we're going to learn how to code and read words with the vowel team AY. Watch me trace and say the sound A, Y, play A. Boys and girls, our position is at the end of a word. We see AY at the end of a word. Now pick up two fingers and trace it with me. A, Y, play A. Excellent, boys and girls. Now you're going to watch me code and read the words with A-Y. I don't know this word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. Where's my vowel, boys and girls? My vowel is A. I look next to it and I see A-Y. That's my vowel team. When I see a vowel team, I underline it and I write two V's, just like that. And now I tap and read the word play. Play. Excellent, boys and girls. Let's go to number 2. I don't know this word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. I see A. I look right next to it and I see Y. That's my vowel team. A-Y. I underline my vowel team and I write two V's. Now let's tap in and read it together. A. Hey. Very good, boys and girls. I don't know this word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. Where's our vowels, boys and girls? We see A, we see Y. We underline it and we write two V's. Remember, when we see A-Y, we see it at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, you have some sentences on your screen. Write down your sentences, read them, and if you see a word with A-Y, I want you to code it. I want you to put a line under your vowel team A-Y and write two V's underneath your line. Underneath, you also see some pictures. Try to match the pictures with the sentences by writing 1 for picture 1, 2 for picture 2, 3 for picture 3, 4 for picture 4, and 5 for picture 5. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. Try to have some fun. Bye.